Hey, come along with me today and plant some garlic. I've already poked all the holes there. I usually do them 2 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart. The best way I do it is I use my hand in each direction, and that gives me a good measurement for doing it. To poke the holes, all I did was take a stick and went like that. So now I'm planting red Russian garlic today, so I'm just gonna quickly just drop them in the holes. I have 35 holes pre-dug here. I left a little bit room on the front side and the ends here because I plant pumpkins on this trellis and beans on that one. So I am leaving some room so I can plant those in the summer or in the springtime next. Front side I also plant some flowers. Last year was marigolds and nasturtiums. Not sure what next year will be, but I usually like to leave the front side for some flowers as well. Now this garden bed's a bit wider, so it is a bit trickier. Kind of sneak over here. So these I've already peeled and I've left the skin on. This is the bottom, so I do bottom facing down for the roots. Now I just have to cover them up. I have most of my garden on drip irrigation on timer, so I already have the drip line set out. So in the springtime, when it starts getting hot, then I just set the timer and I don't have to water, which is fantastic. So now that all the garlic has been covered up, I use some straw to keep it warm as a little insulation. So I just have part of a bale of straw and just spread it out there. Doesn't have to be anything fancy or a crazy amount of straw, just enough to keep it warm for the winter. There you have it. Now I have planted 35 in here, a bunch in the garden bed over there, and still gonna go ahead and plant in my metal raised beds, which are new this year. I'm not sure how they'll do, so gotta go plant the rest of them.